beautiful thing about him is that this guy is an alcoholic manic depressive. He is as unsound as they come. He wanders around all day, and looks at the crazy things, and he's going to name all kinds of crazy prices. And you don't have to pay any attention to him, except when it's to your advantage to do so. If that's once a year, if it's once every 5 years, it's one stock out of 3,000. All you have to do is sit there. You have no moral responsibility to this jerk. He is naming these numbers. You didn't ask him to, but he's doing it. And all you have to do is pick the one time when he is particularly depressed or particularly manic or particularly drunk or whatever it may be. And the market will be all of those things. And you take advantage of it. And that's what's remarkable about stocks, if you think about it, is that if you look at the high and low on all of these American companies for the last year, you'll see case after case after case where the high is twice the low. Now that's for sound American businesses running along, paying people, selling goods, and so on. If you go out and look at farmland 10 miles from here, there's no way in the world over a year that the farmland is going to range in value from X to 2X. It maybe go from X to 110% of X or vice versa. If you look at an apartment house near here and figures on essentially apartment houses like that over a year, it won't move 10% in a given year. But here are the finest of American businesses, and people just name these numbers that go all over the place. And you don't have to play, except when you want to. That's the important thing, and that's what Graham tells you. The market isn't there to instruct you, to tell you anything. The market is there just basically to serve you when you want it to serve you. One of the most important things to remember in stocks, very hard to do, but people have all these feelings about it. The stock doesn't know you own it. You're sitting there with these certificates for Berkshire. The company doesn't even know you own it, and the stock doesn't. It's trading now, and they don't know you own it. So it has no feelings about you. You've got all these feelings about it, but it's just part of a business. If Berkshire is worth 75,000 times 1.5 million shares, roughly 110 billion or something like that,